Yo, what's up, guys? It's Ryan or Ryan. Call me whatever you want. And we're back into another vlog. And I asked you guys in my previous video if I need acting classes or is it not necessary. Well, a few people said it's a good idea to go for an acting class, but people say there's no need for acting class, but you need to like practice at home, like making your own roles or copying other movie scenes or something. Yeah, and yeah, I just got the best idea I have ever had. Like, hear me out. I made my own movie scene. Like, it's not a movie yet, but my biggest dream is to make it a movie. Like, yeah. And yeah, I don't want to practice in front of camera because it's gonna be embarrassing. Yeah, and that movie storyline that I just made up myself, like I'm American. Yeah, long story short, I play as a father in my own show. Yeah, that's the only hint I'm gonna give. Yeah, and I'm still busy writing. Like, yeah, I think it's gonna take a few days, but yeah, yet I still don't have an ID or a bank account or something to make money. And yeah, I'm not doing it just for fame because yeah, I'm doing it for money and for my dream. That's all. And yeah, I don't have an idea of how to make money in the future, but you guys can help me out by supporting this channel. Hit that like and subscribe button to support me. Like, I would appreciate it so much. Yeah, I'm trying my best to keep up the daily vlogs, the daily uploads. Yeah. And yeah, so here I just wait for the right time. Like, yeah, I cannot do it right now because I don't have the things or an ID on stuff for it. So yeah. Well, I'm turning 17 at March. Yeah. And next year I'm 18. So legal to drink in my country. But yeah. So if you guys enjoy the content where I'm trying to be an actor one day, hit that like and subscribe button. I would appreciate the support. And wow, we gained a lot of subscribers. More than I thought. Wow. But anyway, thanks for watching and it's been Rian. See you guys in the next video.